Hi everyone. Today we're going to study pattern for sum of squares of this form. N square plus the square of n plus 1 plus the square of the product n times n plus 1. Let's note that the n here is a natural number. In this pattern, we're getting the sum of three squares. Let us see more notes. The bases of the first two squares are consecutive. We are referring to this first base, which is n, and then n plus 1 as the second base. Now the third base is the product of the first two bases. So n times n plus 1, that is squared. Let us see one example. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. In the first square, the base is 1. Second square, the base is 2. Third square, the base is 2. Notice the first two bases, they are consecutive. This is 1 followed by 2. And the third base of this square is the product of 1 times 2, which is 2. 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus another 2 square, which is 4. Finally, the sum is 9. Note that this 9 is 3 square. Then we can conclude. The sum is the square of the quantity third base plus 1. Our third base is 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Then we will square. Let us follow this pattern with other examples. What about 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square? Notice that the first two bases are consecutive. The number 6 here, or the third base, is the product of 2 times 3. And the answer here is 7 square. So this is 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Then we will square. We can use our calculator to verify that the answer is 49 or 7 square. Another example, 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. The bases of the two squares are consecutive, 3 then 4. And this 12 is the product of 3 and 4. And the answer is 12 plus 1, and that is 13. Then we will square. Another example, 4 square plus 5 square plus 20 square. The bases 4 and 5 are consecutive. The base 20 here is the product of 4 and 5. And the answer is 20 plus 1, then 21. Then we will square. Another example, 5 square plus 6 square plus 30 square. 5 and 6 are consecutive. 30 is the product of 5 and 6. Then the answer, 30 plus 1 is 31. Then we will square. Last example, 6 square plus 7 square plus 42 square. The 6 and 7 are consecutive. 42 here is the product of 6 and 7. And finally, the answer is 42 plus 1, 43. Then we will square.